Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off with our first haircut. This one features a beautiful blonde pixie shape. I love how this frames her jawline, just gorgeous. And then we move into a haircut transformation. So the stylist did a really cute modern pixie bob cut here. Hair is longer in the front. And this one frames her face quite nicely as well. I love the drama, hair longer on one side. And then we move into another pixie haircut style. This one, it features a gorgeous feathered swoop bang. And then we have an asymmetrical pixie. Another beautiful modern style with the long sideburns. Followed by another asymmetrical pixie cut, and this one features the shaven side trend. I love the way that the color looks. Ooh, look at this gorgeous pixie. So she is rocking out this really pretty blonde color. It's more of a beige blonde. Her makeup looks so flawless. She just have the longer bangs here in the front as well. So far today's video has definitely featured a lot of pixie hairstyles. Here we have another one. She ends up getting the bowl cut pixie shape. So cute. Oh, I love this. Very 90s. And we have another angled bob here for the next one. Another gorgeous, dramatic angled shape. She's got the swoop bangs going there. Very pretty. And then we have someone with long, almost waistline hair, and she gets the hair cut and colored into a bob. Very nice. I love the dramatic transformation behind this. She went from long and dark to short and blonde. Very cute style. Spooky season is upon us. So it looks like she's getting some color here. So she's doing a fall. Oh, wow. Oh, this is breathtaking. I love the color combination here. A bit of platinum, that copper, and then a pop of black. Such a fun style. And then we have a cut refresh. So she's just kind of cleaning up that pixie style here. Giving it a bit of a choppy texture. Long sideburns, which are very in. So cute. And then here we have another Pixie. Wow, so many Pixies in today's video. So this one also features a longer banged area. We're really seeing a lot of that asymmetrical shape in today's video as well. And to be honest, that is my personal favorite Pixie shape. I just love the way that the asymmetrical cut looks. And I feel like a lot of women can pull off this shape because it frames the face so beautifully. So moving right along, it looks like we have a bob. She does have like a really pretty copper color going here as well. There we go. So now that the hair has been dried, you can really see that red coming through. Gorgeous. And she got a nice angled bob. And then we move into this layered hairstyle. Now she has more of that like ginger color to her hair. And she is getting some nice layers to just kind of add some volume. And she has some beautiful hair already. I love the color of her strands. And the cut is really just going to pull everything together. Giving her a nice, fresh, modern hairstyle. Ooh, gorgeous. Volume for days. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.